So we're gonna extend one leg out. He's gonna relax. It's all about trusting me. He has to trust this stretch to happen. So first, I'm gonna bend this knee. I'm gonna compress that hip. So he's gonna allow that hip just to relax and let that hip compress. Once that hip is compressed, I'm gonna put movement with it. I'm gonna move it out and then back in. I'm just gonna work this whole range of motion. You can do this yourself, but it's sort of good having a partner. So I'm gonna go over and then back. I'll do about 5 of these. Every time, try to cut that hip a little farther. I'm pushing a little harder every time. I go a little more. See how my knee is going up a little more? Push. We're gonna go about 2 more. I'll put a little more pressure. Good, 1 more. Open the hip, and we're gonna push across. Knee's gonna go with it for a second, and now he's gonna look away and reach. Good, how does that feel? Hurts. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna go to the center. Now here comes the stretch. Compressing the hip, he's slowly gonna extend that heel and stretch that hamstring. That hamstring's tight right there, I feel that. Now I gotta work that whole hamstring head, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate that heel. See how it rotates the knee? And it's focusing on different areas of that hamstring. Right now he's recovering from a hamstring injury, so we really have to stretch this area more than anything else. You can see it's gonna pop a little, it looks like already. 3, 2, 1. Now he's gonna bend his knee before you release it. So you gotta bend that to relax it. Then we're gonna open the hip 45 degrees, and he's gonna straighten it there. Straighten that. Good, gets that nice lock position, and then we rotate that knee there. So we're working different angles of that hip. Good, do about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee, release pressure, out to the side, and he's gonna push there. Okay, this angle, I'm gonna try to cut down and open here. So I'm gonna slide it down my shin and right back. Down, how you doing, Cam? Gotta communicate with your person, make sure you're not hurting them. And see how his knee is naturally coming in? We wanna try to open that up. Feel that tightness in there? Good, all angles. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna bend that, release that again. We're gonna go across, and he's gonna extend the hip there first. Push across, extend, and go ahead and look. Good, opening this all up. If we want to add assistance, I can help that movement happen by pushing on his chest, and you can extend that. We're just really trying to extend that leg. Good, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is the worst. He's gonna square his hips, and I'm gonna allow the knee just to come over a little bit, and then he's gonna extend there. That's a really tight angle that you never get in. See, his flexibility is not very much, but now we gotta hit that hip. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna push his hip up to me, and then down. Hip, see that little movement, it's amazing how much pain, how much scar tissue is built up in there. Good, especially for him running 100 miles. All that damage is done right in that hips. Good, push, push. And I'm trying to give more resistance. I'm trying to straighten that leg and push up and up. See how it's starting to go? There it is, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, bend the knee. So that leg is done. I'm gonna straighten it and just tug on it a little bit, make sure there's nothing bound up in there. Might get a little cocoa pops in the ankle. And then I'll do the same thing in the other leg.